the fuck? Welcome back, Reflect is here. Today I will show you how you can make an attractive thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So let's get to this is the worst word in the world. So let's get to the video. So the first thing you need is that Canva.com, which is So the first thing you need is the Canva.com, which is in the link below description. And first, sign up to your account. So continue with now. What you gotta do is that click on the create a design, or no, you can just scroll in the click on the YouTube thumbnail. Click on that, then load a page which will design here. So this is where you have to design your YouTube thumbnail. And the best thing about Canva.com is that there is a lots and lots of templates that you can use for your YouTube thumbnail. Let me just use this one. And then what you gotta do is that edit whatever you like, but I like the way it is. And for changing the text, what you gotta do is that double click on it and then click backspace and then write whatever you like. Like, for example, I will just say to it, how to make money online. I will just say like this, and then I will choose the best place for it to fit. So the best place is that the left side, which is great for the template. And then if you're finished, click on share, scroll down, and then click on the download. And then I suggest you PNG, as it already said in the text, and then click on the download button. It will load, and then I'll download your image. As you can see, so this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you're satisfied to it. And also, I'm not happy about the 4%. This picture you see, I'm not happy. What is that? Why don't you just hit that beautiful subscribe button? 4%. What is that? That's not really good. I want to just